Hey guys, what's going on, man? This is Archie Motors. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm talking about Nikola. And no, I'm not talking about yodeling, okay? But first I want to get into... No, wait a minute. This ain't right. Hey, there we go. That's a lot better. I got my tuxedo shirt on, guys. If you like this shirt, I got a link down in the description. I got a link down below. You got to click on the link below, yo. They got all kinds of cool graphic tees. You can get a tuxedo shirt or wear them around the house or something. Nikola. I don't know what it is, but it's a new EV truck. Is there enough EV trucks? Do we have enough? I think we probably got enough of them, don't you think? I mean, I feel like we got a ton of them. As a consumer, it's a good thing, though. Competition is always a good thing as a consumer. But anyway, there's so many trucks out there. We got the Tesla Cybertruck. We got the Rivian R1T. We got the Ford F-150s coming out with electric trucks. Chevy and GMC are coming out with an electric truck. Hummer's coming back out with a new electric truck. Now, that's the one I'm excited to see. That one's going to be cool. But this new Nikola Badger truck, this Nikola Badger is a really interesting truck, though, because it's half electric, half hydrogen. There's a hydrogen cell that does about 300 range and an EV electric battery cell that does about 300 range. And this thing is no joke. I mean, it looks pretty good. The styling is okay. It looks pretty cool. It's kind of futuristic. There's no real details, not a lot of details on it, not a lot of pictures on the inside. There's a few pictures of the outside of it. But combining the EV and the hydrogen is probably a really good idea. I mean, 600 range together. I don't know if they work simultaneous or if one kicks on, kicks off, kind of like hybrids. This sucker will boogie. I mean, 2.9 seconds, 0 to 60, supercar! It pulls about 8,000 pounds, heavy duty. I wonder if this could pick up steam, this hydrogen thing. One of the problems is there's not a lot of hydrogen stations. Now, there has been some other manufacturers, Toyota and some other ones, that are trying this hydrogen cell fuel source, but there's not a lot of places where you can fill up on hydrogen. It is a lot cheaper. It's a lot cheaper now than gas, and it could get even cheaper, but there's no stations to fill up at. But they are trying to solve that. They're going to put in 700 more hydrogen stations across the nation, at least in the U.S., because now they're only in the big cities. But if they add more stations, this could be really interesting. Really, really interesting. 600 miles is a long way. Of course, some of the electrics are doing like 400 to 500 if you get the real big batteries. The Nikola Badger, hey. All these new trucks coming out, this is really, really going to be, I mean, this is a great time to buy a truck. You ought to wait a couple years. Don't go out and get a truck yet. Wait a couple years. Because we're going to have all kinds of cool trucks coming out. I mean, they're going to be fast. They're going to have supercar performance. And they're going to pull your house. They're going to pull your mobile home around if you want to. Have your mobile home on the back. Ooh, pull up right into Walmart parking lot. Just take a nap. Nikola has really been a brand of semi-trucks. So they're already starting this semi-truck electric hydrogen. I think they have hydrogen semi-trucks. So they're already in that space, but now they're just putting them in a mid-size to large-size truck. Hit the like button if you like this video and want to see more. Make sure to click on that link and get you a tuxedo t-shirt.